My name is Mike Bergmeyer with ShieldAg Equipment in South Hutchinson, Kansas. What we have here is a full load of about 200 undercutter V-blades that are headed to southwest Kansas and southeast Colorado to start working summer fallow in the next 2 or 3 weeks. On this load there's about 5 or 6 different sizes. And one of the great things about ShieldAg is we are the only manufacturer that continues to build every popular size of undercutter V-blade for almost every machine made in North America. You can see the quality level of the blades we're about to ship, and we're going to be strapping these down later this afternoon when we finish up the load. But each blade is checked on a standard factory frog, each bolt dropped in to make sure they fit up perfectly and there's no warpage or damage. The hard facing is checked by a final auditor to make sure it's the correct thickness and smoothness required by our customers. And you can see that there's a full load here going out, and what we need to do is make sure that you've got your blades on order now for the next 5 to 6 weeks requirements on your farm. Thank you very much.